So here we have the Audi A3 S-Line. It's on a 16 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of space in the boot here, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see, firstly, the total miles of the car there, 77,295. Directly beneath that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment. And directly above that, we have trip computer information that we can change, as you can see. We can also have any of these different menus displayed there, including a proper digital readout for the speedometer. And that's all done with these buttons just here. We have our stereo controls. We have the plus paddle behind the steering wheel and the minus paddle. That's so it can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main screen for the car. So firstly, the movement that I'm making on the screen here is being done using this dial just here. You can go into certain menus using the buttons here. For example, we're now in the radio menu. We can come back to the main menu with this button. And these 4 buttons here relate to the 4 corners of the screen. So for example, I could put it into radio. We're now in the radio menu. You can see the 4 corners of the screen here, one of which is wave band, which will show you that we've got DAB, FM and AM radio. We can go back to the main menu. Using the dial, we can go to media. This is where you listen to your own music. And again, that top right-hand corner button will give you these different options, which are SD memory card input, CD player, Audi's multimedia interface, and also Bluetooth audio, which you can see just there. We have the ability to pair our phone. Once you've done so, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly, as I mentioned. And we can change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put it into efficiency, comfort, auto, so the car decides, dynamic or individual, where you can customize, using the button in the bottom right-hand corner, your own settings for the car. You can also do that through this drive select button just here. The button next to it will close the screen away and open the screen back out again. We can turn off our traction control, hazard warning lights, and the stop and start for the car. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have dual zone climate control directly below that. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, the fan speed, the direction you'd like the air distributed. That's your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and fan speed to maintain this temperature or those temperatures. You can override that manually whenever you wish to and put it back on your own settings here. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. Heated passenger seat, again, with 3 different heat settings. A 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the gear lever for the fully automatic S-tronic gearbox with the indicator as to what gear you're in just here, the main volume for your stereo, and the controls went through just a moment ago, as well as an electronic handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.